Hello there, and welcome. In today's fast-paced and interconnected world, freelancing has emerged as a viable career path, offering individuals the freedom to work on their own terms. Among the many platforms available, Fiverr Gigs have gained immense popularity. In this video, we'll explore why choosing easy Fiverr Gigs can be a game-changer for your freelance career. 1. The world of Fiverr Gigs. Fiverr, launched in 2010, has transformed the way independent professionals offer their services globally. With its user-friendly interface and extensive range of categories, Fiverr Gigs provide abundant opportunities for freelancers to monetize their talents. 2. The importance of easy gigs. When starting your journey on Fiverr, it's crucial to select easy gigs that align with your skills. These gigs not only allow you to quickly gain momentum but also build a solid foundation for future growth. They serve as stepping stones towards more complex projects while generating income from the outset. 3. Overcoming initial challenges. By focusing on easy gigs, you can overcome the challenges faced by newcomers in the freelancing realm. It enables you to hone your strengths and build confidence without getting overwhelmed by demanding projects right from the start. 4. Establishing a reliable reputation. Offering services that come naturally to you or those requiring minimal effort allows you to establish yourself as a reliable freelancer who consistently delivers high-quality work. By consistently meeting client expectations, you build trust and credibility within the Fiverr community. 5. Quick turnaround times. Many clients look for quick yet detailed tasks. By efficiently completing these straightforward assignments within tight deadlines, you have the opportunity to impress clients and establish a reputation as a dependable and punctual freelancer. 6. Developing essential skills. Opting for simpler gigs at the beginning helps you become familiar with the Fiverr platform's interface, understand client expectations, and navigate rating systems and feedback mechanisms. These skills are vital for long-term success as a freelancer on Fiverr. 7. Exploring writing and translation gigs. Writing and translation gigs on Fiverr offer a plethora of opportunities. Whether it's crafting engaging blog posts, refining written pieces through proofreading, editing, or providing accurate translations, these gigs allow you to showcase your expertise while earning a steady income. 8. Unleashing your creative potential. Graphic design gigs. Graphic design gigs on Fiverr, such as logo design, offer a chance to unleash your creativity. Creating unique and eye-catching logos for businesses or individuals allows you to shape their brand identity and leave a lasting impact. Conclusion. Choosing easy Fiverr gigs can be a game-changer for your freelance career. By starting with tasks that align with your skills and offer quick turnaround times, you can establish yourself as a reliable freelancer and build essential skills. Whether it's writing, translation, graphic design, or other categories, Fiverr Gigs provide a world of opportunities for you to monetize your talents. So dive in, embrace the easy gigs, and watch as your freelance career takes off on Fiverr.